Hello and good morning. Good to see you, Shashi, Karthik, Pramod, Aruna, Sandeep, Visu. Very good. आज कहाँ पैसा बनेगा? Any guesses? Any guesses? Where is the money to be made today? If you went through the trade plan and what I was mentioning um, on last Friday, that we are um, likely to see a gap up on Monday morning. So look at the bank, look at the Nifty, Gift Nifty trading. Where is it trading right now? Let's look at it. It's trading at 25046, which is you subtract 915 from 1046, you will get a difference of about 100 plus points. 100, 140, 130, 140. Add 130 points to Nifty. That makes it 960, 970. So that's a gap up. Anyone have carried call would make money, and please exit immediately. Don't tell me why. Don't ask me why. Sorry. क्योंकि 25,000 would act as a very tough resistance on the way up. And after opening gap up, I'm expecting market to correct. So the money would not be made today in the call side, as far as my understanding is concerned. I may be wrong, and it's okay to be wrong. Just that my understanding is we could be seeing a correction, and the money today, if you're starting a fresh position, may be made in puts, and I would not be surprised if it is made more money in Nifty puts because 25,000 is a Nifty level. Suchandra Modak, good morning. Where are you from? Mahesh, good morning. So my thought is, if you're carrying calls, you should book out. Anyway, you should book out because you would be sitting on profits and wait for the decision. But my feeling is that 25,000 may not be touched immediately, and उससे पहले ही we should start seeing some resistance. So Chandra, good, you're from Kolkata. There are other people also from Kolkata. Welcome to this morning live, and feel free to join in every day at 9 o'clock. Okay, now to prepare. So choose your strike. I'm not going to say anything. Choose your strike and be ready with it. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is likely to face resistance around 51,600. I had already mentioned in the trade plan. Please review that, which is just about here. So 350 पे close हुआ है और 610. That means almost 250 points above or so. You could be seeing Bank Nifty struggling. Pre-open rates are here. Pre-open is 24,943. I'm expecting a resistance at 24,900 and 25,000. It's somewhere in between. Between 24,900 and 25,000, I'm expecting a resistance. First pushback from the call writers, the bears who will want to take the market down. Let's see. But indeed, this is a gap open as I was sensing. So uh, there is money to be immediately, when you close your call position, you should be booking out the money, your profits. I haven't checked the divergence, so I can't comment on it. But I work primarily on levels. Divergence I check, but rarely. I'm glad if you have found out your reason, but be alert. That is what That is what the hint is. Okay. So let's be prepared accordingly. Let me prepare my terminal. You please focus on preparing your terminal right now. Keep your dummy orders done so that you are able to take the best advantage. I don't even want to wait for the open, but I will have my stop loss in place and I will humbly accept the stop loss if something goes wrong. And that's the key to success. If you fight and sit with your ego, then you have a problem with trading. But if you take a decision and if it's your stop loss, just accept it and move out. 910. Yeah, we've already checked the pre-open rates. Okay, so pre-open for Bank Nifty is 250 plus, and for Nifty it is 100 plus, 108 plus. But I will be cautious for any further up move. 25,000 is a big psychological resistance level, and the bears will definitely defend it for the first time. That's my observation, and I would plan my trades accordingly. Let me put the pre-open in the Telegram as well. So, mind you, all sectors are opening positive. All sectors are opening positive. And that's the beauty of the market. It can just be a different game altogether when the market opens. 3 minutes futures charts. We bring it down. ये तो आसमान में जा रहा है और ऊपर नीचे खुलेगा और खुलेगा तो थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे देते हैं इसको. 9:13, 1 point some minutes left. Be ready with your terminal and keep a sharp lookout on the levels. 24,943 is what the pre-open says. And let's look at where we see the real one. So there will be first pushback in the morning, which I want to capitalize on. And I don't mind any PE, Bank Nifty or Nifty. In fact, since it will be a pushback on Nifty, yes, you're right. I'm not going to say anything. There it opens. There it opens. 24,980. There it opens. Bank Nifty exactly at the resistance 51,0600, and Nifty is sensing the resistance at 24,980. This is what I was saying. Be ready. Be ready. Do you see Nifty stuck at the high 24,980 dot? The high it has made is 24,980.45, a new all-time high. But, you know what I'm saying. There it is in the 3-minute charts. Bank Nifty is wanting to go up, but Nifty is has not been able to touch the high again so far. Let's see what happens next. And it's the color has now changed to green, from green to red. I'm talking about the 15-minute chart, and in the 3-minute chart, it's a small candle, still holding out. And now let me look at the 15 minutes candle. It is giving you the hints. I'm zooming in for you for your better viewing comfort. आपको अगर लॉजिक समझ नहीं आता है तो जरूर सीख लीजिए. फर्स्ट टाइम डिफेंड किया जाता है. Hmm. Comfortable. हाँ जी दोस्त लोगों बोलो, क्या हुआ? ट्रेडिंग स्टॉप लॉस लगा सकते हैं? हाई लग गया। 25144 in futures and 24980 in spot. दिन बन जाएगा आज तो। अब ये कहां तक गिरेगा, दैट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Let's go clean on the charts and plot the levels. There we are. From here to here. नहीं लगा। Hold करिए। The response is slow because I'm live streaming as well. Resources are committed. Laptop resources, so it takes time. Levels plotted. 24,788. Yani 24,790 is the second level. The first level obviously is 24,860, 850, 860, the previous all time high. वहां तक पहले करेक्ट करेगा, उसके बाद वापस ऊपर जाएगा. It will fall, go up, and then it will again fall this level. I'm not in any hurry to exit my shorts. My SL is placed. If you're still playing call, then you are in trouble. Ah, good morning, Varnika, Pramod, HDFC Bank in negative. Okay, Prithvi, good morning. Good morning, Prithvi. Nice to see you. Requesting everyone to like the stream. That gives me encouragement to come every day and help you trade. Please also like, subscribe, and share. Himanshu, if you have a call position of Nifty, please close out. Book your profits. 24,980 is the high, all-time high that is made, and it has to be surpassed now for anything new. Right now, I'm not sure if that's going to happen right away. Let's enable all indicators and see what is clear to us. Look, in 15 minutes, RSI is at 88 plus. Anybody who tracks RSI will also understand what I'm trying to say. 88 plus. In 15 minutes, in hourly chart, the RSI is at 75, and in daily charts, RSI is at 71.92. इसको तो हम उठा ही सकते हैं. इसको let's adjust this and bring it up here, and we will eventually go to 25050, but not immediately. The bears will definitely defend this level. So it's 9:24, 10 minutes from the start. They will try their level best to go up. The bulls will give a tough fight, but the bears are likely to eventually take control and thereby bringing the market down to the previous all-time high levels or so, or even lower. Bank Nifty is steady and will is not showing any negative traction so far. This is what you need to understand which index to trade on which day. Today I did not say Bank Nifty puts, और यही बात आपको समझनी पड़ेगी. Captured 50 points in Nifty CE swing. Perfect. I think you made an amazing entry right in the beginning. And then in the next few seconds, you captured your points, Rekha. Congratulations. Consistent. Very good. Hmm. Nifty is sinking fast. If you can't see it on the 3-minute charts here. It is consolidating at the bottom end of the first 3 minutes range, while Bank Nifty is consolidating at the top of the first 3 minutes range. Are you seeing the difference? Why I had hinted on Nifty today and not Bank Nifty. समझते समझते सिर के बाल सफेद हो जाते हैं. And the stop loss is in place, so there is nothing to worry. Let's look at HDFC Bank also. I think Pramod said HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is still green, but it is struggling at 1618. It has to break above this. And Reliance is facing resistance at this level that we have 3028. ICC Bank is doing pretty well. Infosys is doing pretty well with a gap up, but is also correcting just like Nifty. So you can bring this up as well, correct it, minor adjustments, and we are sorted. This gap is likely to get filled today. Infosys ka the gap up it had got today, this could be filled and thereby also helping Nifty fill the gap here. As you can see, Nifty is moving down, Bank Nifty is steady. Are you observing the difference in regular days and today's day? Divakar has got 180 points in Bank Nifty, fantastic. Congratulations, very good move, very good captured. Today, you should be able to close in on a decent move if you are on the put side and still holding because a good portion of your move would have come by now. Um, there is some more way down to go. Who knows? Today's high already made, and it could be a trending day on the downside. That is also a possibility. 24980, ladies and gentlemen, is a new all-time high made in the morning. 24980.45. Excellent. Anyone who's made money, people like Divakar, Rekha, Probably Himanshu as well, if you have closed your positions, please stay out. Do not re-enter. That's the rule of the game. Do not re-enter. ध्यान से सुन लीजिए, दोबारा नहीं घुसने का है. If you re-enter, you have no idea what can happen. Do not re-enter. And please do not forget to like the stream. It's important for me. That's the only way you can say thank you to me. So please like the stream, subscribe, and share this link with all your friends and network. And if you want to understand how to make the best of the morning trades, and if you want to learn formally, I have the seventh coaching program planned. The dates are yet to be decided, but you can share your interest, sign up in the Google form that is there in the description of this live session. 9:30, first 30 minutes are done. 9:30. Positionally, I would like to hold on to my Nifty shorts created almost at the open. When were my trades? I picked up my positions. I started picking up my positions. I don't buy everything in one lot. So I buy it in multiple tranches. So I started picking up my first trade at 9:15:19. Within the first 19 seconds, I had started building my short positions, and I am in healthy green right now. You want to learn to understand, you're most welcome to fill the Google form in the description, and I can get back to you. I only pick up limited number of people for my coaching program, so it's generally first come first serve. All right. It's trying to sustain at this level, which is 24,900. Uske paas mein hai, and 915 is where it is trading right now in spot. It will find some support there, and once this breaks, then that there will be a windfall. Patience is the name of the game. My stop loss has moved beyond cost, so there is some profit that I'm definitely locking in. I'm glad you have exited, Himanshu. Must have been in green, I'm sure. Do share the points captured if you can figure it out. I'm happy for everyone who's understood the logic and has gone with the right side. Happy for people who have made money. Divakar, Rekha, Himanshu. Who else has made captured some points? Suchandram, have you picked up some points? Ravi, how about you? Mahesh, Karthik, Himanshu picked up 43 points. Fantastic. 43 points in calls are good. Nifty calls, sorry, are good. How about you, Sandeep? Aruna, Pramod, Risu, checking everybody. Prithvi, Himanshu's captured 43 points. Rahul Agarwal has captured 25 points. Congratulations, Rahul. Sandeep captured 25 points in Nifty calls. You were lucky because the moment you entered, The market started reversing. Lucky for you, Ravi, as well. 80 points in Nifty calls. 25 points, Nandeep. Okay, noted. Very good, yaar. I'm happy for everybody who's making money, yaar. Very happy for each one of you. And this is the difference. Either we lose, but we lose little. And if we make good money. I always say the only way to make money is by protecting the big losses. Small losses are okay, cost to cost is okay, and small profits are okay. These things will neutralize each other, but this is where you will get the profits. You have to just protect this big losses. Participants of the coaching programs that they have undergone have understood what I'm saying. This is a hint, and this is the simplest way I can explain how to make money. It's more of a psychology thing. Bank Nifty is still near still near the swing high. Can you imagine? Today's high, it's very near to today's high. But Nifty has fallen. What did I say? Nifty is my stock today, and on the put side, which very rarely I say. पहले ही बोल दिया था ना. अब बैठे रहो और मस्ती करो. कुछ नहीं करना आज दिन में. Keep trailing your stop loss. Nothing else needs to be done. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I am in no hurry to exit my positions. I have a stop loss which is just above my cost, giving me some profits. But then the real move is, in my opinion, has just about to start. Is just about to start. We may see a down move, not only whole of the day today, but even continue tomorrow. You can understand what I'm trying to say. So 24,900 is where it is taking support right now. 936, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of you are in green. Who else has captured some points? Please share the points captured, which index, which side. No need to give the strike, no need to give the expiry, nothing. Just the index and, if possible, which side, calls or puts. But even index is okay. How many points captured? And in the meanwhile, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this URL so that many of your friends also come to know of how easily we can capture some points in the morning. And so many of us. Still in the trade, Pramod? Very good. Just ensure that the stop loss is in place. Nothing else needs to be done. You will smile to the bank. Bus, perfect. Nothing else needs to be done. Just relax. And don't bother by the minor ups and downs. That is part of the move. Intraday, the move will be down as far as I guess. This is what I sense. There will be minor ups and downs. You will find that. But just ignore. 938. Look at Bank Nifty in the meanwhile. It's making strides on the upside. Look at the divergence between indices. It's making the new swing high. Not all time, but swing high. देख लो इस शैतान बच्चे को. This guy gets serious when others are not. By the way, the cycle time turned positive for Nifty on Friday 26 at 12 p.m. And after that, you can see there was a blast. Do you see the importance of cycle time? This is where it became positive. So even if I take on the close of this candle from here to all time, right, happy situation. Although the cycle time for Bank Nifty today is 12:15 p.m. in the afternoon, 12:15, and Nifty the next cycle time is at 10:15 a.m. tomorrow. 10:15 a.m. or in Nifty reverse of our traditional thought process. But as long as you understand the logic why we have picked up Nifty, I'm okay. So sweet of you, Pramod. Thank you so much. I explain the same thing to everyone, and some people pick up, some don't. Nifty PE waiting, so very good, and just ensure the stop loss is there so that you don't lose any money. You can move the stop loss to cost if that is comfortable, and then sit back and relax. Let me zoom in a little bit for all of you so that you can see the charts much better and clearer. I think this should be good, and this should also be good. बैंक निफ्टी is very happy. बैंक निफ्टी अपने ही मूड में चल रहा है, as if it's not even concerned. But Nifty is breaking the low of the first 15 minutes candle and going down sharply now. On the 3 minutes, you can see Nifty is clearly not wanting to go up. And all the people who would be sitting in Nifty calls would be wondering what's wrong with Nifty today. You need to understand psychology and the DNA of the market. And if sitting in Nifty puts, do not be in a hurry to book profits, because our psychology says whenever we see green, we just jump to close the profits. Don't do that. Just trail the stop loss and trail with a decent margin. And we keep on sitting in the losing position, hoping it will change. And that never changes. But if you're sitting in Nifty puts today, just sit on it and you will cleanly make one of the biggest moves that you have made in your career. देखते हैं आज क्या बोल रहा हूँ और क्या होगा. 25,000 is a massive, massive target, and it's a huge psychological level. This happened with us when Bank Nifty was hitting 50,000. So from 49,900 something, it got a massive move down. We captured that. 50,000 on Bank Nifty was a huge, huge psychological level. Same thing is happening at 25,000 for Nifty. These you will watch these green candles, but you will eventually see that red ones are much bigger and much sharper. So green is important because that's the only way people will exit out and book their profits. बैंक निफ्टी इज गोइंग अप। वो अपनी दुनिया में चल रहा है, उसको किसी से लेना देना नहीं। HDFC Bank is trying to break above 1618. ICICI Bank is doing pretty well, so that's also pulling Bank Nifty up. And Reliance is also fairly positive right now. It is Infosys that is filling the morning gap. 9:45 almost, ladies and gentlemen. We are half an hour down the market open. Infosys on the daily chart is still on a massive RSI of 87.56. I'm not saying it is negative, but there is a scope for correction. So please be aware and alert. A running trade in Bank Nifty call side today, but getting fear to hold. Either SL in place at cost, fear of missing profits. That's okay. SL should be in place. That's all. Don't lose money. We may or may not make money, but don't lose money. And if we lose money, let the loss be a very little loss. That's okay. Varnika is holding Nifty put. Fine, perfect. Just hold it with a stop loss. The hint for you, Murli, is that, sorry, Karthik, is that for Bank Nifty, plot the retracements and see where is the support and resistance. Accordingly, plan your trade to exit or hold. I believe most of you have liked this stream. I can see 30 plus people here, but not as many likes. If you have not liked this is a small click that you need to do. छोटा सा एक like. I can see 24 likes only. So there are at least 6, 7 likes which should be still there but are not there. Can I request everyone to hit the like button? Like, subscribe, and share the link with your friends and network. Let more people benefit. In fact, if you're smart enough, you could make out enough money to join the coaching program, and then you'll make more money. People normally make money in the next few weeks that they take out all the coaching fee that they have given. That's how it works. Share with a family friend if you want to benefit them as well. वो भी आपको थैंक यू करेंगे, आपको याद रखेंगे. Thank you, Mahesh, but this is how things work. We only make appeal. The rest is their goodwill. I am happy that I'm giving my views and people are in a situation to make money. I'm happy with that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hanuman. Thank you so much. I can see 28 likes right now, but just a few more left. Meanwhile, where is Bank Nifty? I almost stopped tracking it, but after all this consolidation moved down, Let's look at the 15 minutes charts right now because it's 9:48, time beyond our morning trades. So now we focus on multi-level, multi-time frame charts. Here we are. So we are seeing a clear-cut top at 24,980. So this swing that started from 24074 has for now made a top at 24980. It is 906 points upswing. अमेजिंग. थोड़ा सा तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आएगा ना बॉस. आप खुद ही सोचिए, नॉन स्टॉप अपमूव चल रहा है. एंड लेट मी ब्रिंग दिस डाउन. ये नीचे आजा भाई, बहुत ऊपर है. द फर्स्ट सपोर्ट इज एट 24848. वही 50 से 60 की रेंज में है. दिस इज अ इंटरेस्टिंग कैंडल फॉर्मेशन. This is like a long leg doji. This is telling us that if the high is taken out, we can again see a up move. This is happening in the 15 minutes time frame, the 5-minute time frame. So there is a possibility of some kind of an up move. Remember to trail your stop loss so that you do not lose what you have captured. 8-9 more minutes before we close the trade, but you got the hints and trust everybody has made money. I'm happy for all of you who have made money or you have learned something new. Both ways, very happy for you. I'm seeing 29 likes. Thank you so much, gentlemen, ladies. Maybe someone missed out, couple of people. And if you, I can still see more people live here. My last and humble request to click on the like button. It doesn't cost you any money, but your learning has probably gone up today, and now you understood the logic why we are looking at 25,000 on the Nifty as a tough resistance to negotiate. So sweet. Thank you so much, Hanuman. It's just a matter of understanding. Anybody can do it. But thank you for the compliment. Um, yeah, it's important to place stop loss. And Pramod, if your stop loss is triggered at cost, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Possibly a late entry, yes, because my stop loss is still not. But you know where I got my entry? I got entry at 9:15:19. That was my first entry. Well, for more learning, you can always refer to the previous sessions. Description mein you'll get the link of the previous live trades and you'll see things do go sometimes in our ways, things sometimes do not go our way. It is okay. Idea is to have a stable mindset and stable psychology and Just focus on learning. Money is a byproduct, it will come automatically. This is clearly a four time frame chart. Daily 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. This gives us a strong uh, picture across all four time frames, and any change happening, we can see. I'm seeing broadly Nifty is bullish and it has gone a gap up, but it has made a top right in the beginning and it is not interested in making a new high. Therefore, the put position that I'm holding is fine. The same thing I'm getting it in hourly charts, same thing I'm getting in 15-minute chart, though it made a interesting candle here, but this seems to be failing and it has to cover the gap it has created in the morning. So this is the gap that has got created. Let me plot it for you. Here it is. Many of you would not know the basic features of TradingView, and I have received many requests from people to explain TradingView basic features. I will conduct that, or I will probably record a video so that it helps you. Um, I was like you. I also did not know many things. बहुत धक्के खा के सीखा. I wanted to also share that learning so that you don't waste your time, money in learning all that. I'll do an educational series very soon. The first support will come at 24887, and it is very near that. I don't have any stop loss yet. I'm very comfortable. It's all a matter of timing your entry. You're right, Pramod. Yes, correct. If Bank Nifty was supporting as well, or Bank Nifty was in its own mood. I clearly said my focus is on Nifty because the psychological resistance of 25,000 is valid for Nifty. I've already shared the cycle times, Rekha. Um, the time goes positive for Bank Nifty today at 12:15 p.m. and for Nifty it is not today, it is tomorrow. Where is it? Tomorrow 10:15 a.m. I'm not expecting any all-time high today. I will be surprised a little bit in case that happens. I My sense is we may close all this gap that has got created today before, and then some consolidation before the up move resumes, and then the up move should be hitting 25,000 and beyond. But first pushback is already there. Let's enjoy the pushback. Technically speaking, Bank Nifty has already achieved its target, and 51873 was the retracement level. For all of you who understand how to plot retracements the way I've taught, this is clear the resistance level, and you can see it has got a pushback from here, and it is unlikely to cross this today. Meanwhile, Nifty, and if any fall comes in Bank Nifty, Nifty will fall. My sense is Nifty can even go down to a level between 24,700 and 800. That is also a possibility. Possibility hai, nothing is confirmed. So do not try to fight the market and initiate a brand new trade. I can risk it because I'm sitting on profit so that I have a cushion. 9:58, ladies and gentlemen, time to start packing up. I don't want to sit in front of the terminal whole day. I'll be watching it off and on. My day is done. My stop loss is in place. Time to move out and do some other things in life and take care of myself, family, and my hobbies, other things. I'll come back tomorrow, and before that, I'll come back in the trade plan tonight. So there are two videos I create. One is on the trade plan by evening, late evening, and and one is in the morning 9 to 10. So please feel free to join in and go through. Thank you so much for your time in the morning. Hope the session has been useful to you. Hope you have learned something, and also hope that you have made something in the process. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.